Water is off the court. We got about 10 minutes here. Spread out. Make sure you have a couple of feet in between you. Hip extension, leg lower, diaphragmatic breathing, slides, and diagonal reach. All right, so first thing we can do after we stretch, after we perform our stretching and our motor control, now it's time to combine all of those joints to create dynamic movement preparation. Can we grab that ball out of the way, please? And the cone, please. Sorry. So we can do this in a stationary position. We can also do this while we're going across. So let's just make two lines. So one line behind this group. Yep. Yeah, we'll have one line on the blue line, one line on that line behind them, this line here, right here. Once the first group gets to the middle cone, the next group can go. So I need a group on the big blue line. Yeah, just to give us some more space. Perfect. The first thing we're going to do is a split squat. So the first thing is bring 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, hands at the hips. Option 1, stay right here. Let's go, let's see it. Option 1, right here. Option 2 is just down and up like an elevator. Not forward, straight down and up. Okay, let's switch. Again, don't do it if it causes pain. Option 1, hold. Option 2, straight down, straight up. Okay, that's your split squat. Toe touch squat. Feet are about shoulder width distance. Arms are overhead. Reach down, touch my toes. Butts in the air. Squat down. Hands together. Hands on the toes. Hips up. Stand up. Touch toes. Squat down. Hands together. Hands on the toes. Hips up. Stand up. To make it a little harder, option 2, toes, squat, hands. You can do it. Arms overhead here. Stand up. Okay, so that makes it a little bit tougher. Lateral squat, feet are about 4 to 3 feet apart. I'm going to sink into your left, my right, while I reach forward, not out. So I'm going to reach forward and then stand up. One leg, no bend. One leg, all bend. Okay, let's try 2 on each side. So this is our lateral squat. Okay. Bear crawl, hands and knees. With that same mentality, knees off the ground an inch. I'm going to go, not yet, don't go yet. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. When I say go, not yet. Okay, try to go opposite arm, opposite leg. Try to land at the same time. All right, here we go. Up and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, 2, 3, 4, and down. All right. Knee to chest, stand up. Once the first group gets to the middle cone, the next group will go. Okay? we'll try to stay on our same line. So you'll just go behind them when you're done, okay? So this line, we're going to do knee to chest first. Knee to chest is not chest to knee, it's knee to chest. My bottom foot, plantar flexion. We go 3 on each side. Actually, don't worry, you can probably all go at the same time for this one. We're going to go 3 on each side until we get to the other side. So once you've done 3, just jog to the next line, all right? So let's do knee to chest. Try to keep your back straight. Ready? And go. Plantar flexion, bottom foot. Extend that bottom knee. Once you've got 3 on each side, jog to the line or walk to the line. Good job. Leg cradle. Knee to chest. Hold onto the knee. Underneath and around the foot. Pull up, just like a standing pigeon. You need foot, big toe down for balance. And keep that arch of that foot. You can do these standing or moving forward. Let's try 2 on each side, and then we'll jog to the end of the line. Ready? Go. If it's too much on your knee, you can just go back to that knee hug. Straight leg walk. Okay? We're going to go 5 on each side, or just reach if you can't touch with your back straight. Try not to go like this. So, 5 on each side. Ready? And go. All right. Go ahead. Let's all go. Heel to butt. Reach. You can do this in place to practice. Reach with opposite. I want to step into my next movement. Okay, so I'm getting that hamstring, glute, shoulder. Now if that's too much, I just want you to just feel the butt. Okay, get 2 on each side, then jog to the end line. Ready, go. Just 2. All right. This one we can do in place to start. When I say go, the front line's going to go. When you get to the middle, the next line's going to go. So this one is just a march. So we want our arms very active. Pretend that you are hammering in something behind you. Okay, I want those knees working fast. So let's just start with a stationary march. Go ahead. Back straight. Stop. Now we're going to add in our skip. You can march if you can't skip. That's fine. We're going to skip forward. So it's going to start with our march. And then when I say go, we're going to skip all the way to the next line. Once we get to the middle, the next group will go. Ready? Go. Next group, go. Good. Step, hop, step, hop, step, hop. Next is high knee run. So we're going to high knee run on the way down. And we're not going to demonstrate it first because it takes a lot of energy. So it's going to be really moving those legs up high. If this is too much, you can march or you can just jog down. It's a high knee run. Now we are activated. We've done our mobility. We've done our motor control. We're about to do power. So now we have to do explosive dynamic warm-up. So high knee run. Ready? Go! Go! Good. high knee run I don't want to see is this. Because you're not using your arms when we do that. So use your arm. Okay, you can do a high knee skip. We won't worry about that one today. We didn't really get into the agility ladders today. And two other things we can do is our back pedal and backwards run. Back pedal is wide feet low. Back run is narrow feet staggered. Okay? We have our 1-2. You can do this one with me. Let's go 1. Opposite arm. 1-2. 1-2-3. Opposite. 1-2-3-4. And then try to hold that position. Let's do 1-2, then 1-2-3. Ready? Hold up. Go. 1-2, hold. Go for 3 now. Ready? Go. 1-2-3. Good. Okay? Okay, you can slide left, slide right. 1-2 stick. So let's pretend we're using an agility ladder. 1-2 stick. Try not to go on the outside of that foot. You want that arch. 1-2 stick. In and out. Pretending I have a ladder. Cross behind. Cross in front. I can use cross behind to be this. A little tougher. Using a ladder. So, and then the other one would be scissors. In front scissors and behind scissors. Okay? Those are all dynamic warm-ups that you can prepare for before power, before strength, and before conditioning. All right? I have on the back here, it says, write the cues for the following exercises after class. So if you remember those cues, write them in. On the last sheet of paper, it has some student reflections using the cognitive affective domains. Try to answer these questions before lecture on Wednesday. We're going to go over these questions on Wednesday. So answer these questions before lecture on Wednesday, and that's going to be it for today. Okay? We'll see everybody Wednesday. Grab some water.